Okay, we're going to look at how to organize data using grouped and ungrouped frequency distributions. Okay, so let's look at a couple of vocabulary. A frequency table or a frequency distribution is a table that consists of two columns, such that the first column lists classes of values for data items, and the second column lists their frequencies. How many are there? Where the frequency of a class is the number of data items in that class. How many? The first column can be a single value, a group of values like 8 to 12, or a category. When the answers to the survey are not numbers, for example, what is your favorite color? You have a categorical frequency distribution. Okay? If we were face-to-face, we would take a survey. And I would ask you, what is the color of your eyes? So I'm just going to write down a bunch of answers. We'll say blue, we'll say brown, we'll say blue, we'll say hazel, we'll say green, brown, green, blue, hazel, hazel, and we'll stop there. Okay, so our classes are the colors of eyes that were reported. So we've got blue, we've got brown, we've got hazel, and we've got green. Then our frequency, I would just count them up. So blue, we have 1, 2, 3. For brown, we have 1, 2. Hazel, we have 1, 2, 3. And green, we have 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I had 10 data items. This should add up to 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that's it. This is a frequency distribution. And because it's a category, it's a categorical frequency distribution. Okay, let's look at the next page. What is your major? Okay, so let me just answer. Let's say nursing. Let's say dental, welding, music, nursing, gaming, culinary arts, photography, and let's do dental. Okay, so again, our classes are categories. Let's see, we have nursing, we have dental, we have welding, we have music. Okay, I've got too many categories. I don't have enough room. So let me erase this one. And this one. I'll just put culinary arts on the bottom. So obviously you would adjust your table to match the number of items. I just don't have room. Okay, so nursing, we have 1, 2, 3. Dental, we have 1, 2. Welding, we have 1. Music, we have 1. And culinary arts, we have 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 should match this total 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this again was another categorical frequency distribution because all of these under the class were categories, not numbers. Okay, so we're going to look at a grouped frequency distribution involving numbers. Grouped meaning our class is not a single number, but a group of numbers. Okay, so basically our classes are already set up for us, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, and 31 to 40. Notice that all of these classes have to be the same size. In this case, the size is 10, but it doesn't always have to be 10. It could be 5, it could be 12, it could be any number that you wanted, but they would all have to be the same. So same, but not necessarily all 10. Okay, so we're just going to go through the list. All right, 15 goes here, 25 goes here, 17, 13, 24, 35, 37, 23, 20, 17, 32, 14, 26, 28, 31, 19, 21, 31, 40, 11, 16, 28, 39, 17, 19, 36, 14, 28, 25, and 29. Okay, now we've had 30 people, so all of these need to add up to 30. I have 12, 10, and 8. That adds up to 30. There we go. So our answer would be these numbers. My slash marks were just helping me count up. Okay, next page. In a survey, 20 college instructors were asked about the number of years of their teaching experience. They reported the following in years, and I'm not going to read all those numbers. We're going to construct an ungrouped frequency distribution. So ungrouped, each class is a single digit. Okay, so when we're going to go smallest to largest. So the smallest number of years was 4. And there were 1, 2 4s. Our next number is 5, and there was 1, 2, 3, 4 5s. Then I think our next number is 8. Let's see, I'm going to do these in different colors. Our next class is 8, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 8s. Then our next class is 10, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10s. And our last class is 25. And we have 1, 2 25s. Okay, and now just as a check. Okay, so this is my completed ungrouped frequency distribution. Just as a check, I need to make sure that I have 20 numbers accounted for. 2, 6, 13, 18, 19, 20. So this would add up to 20, so we're good. Okay, utilizing calculators, just making sure that you're able to use your calculator. So make sure when you do the division, 13 over 29, and let's just add the instructions round to nearest tenth. Okay, so the first one is 0.448 dot 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 dot. Rounded to the nearest tenth would be 0.4. The next one, 20 divided by 43, is 0.4651 dot 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 dot. Rounded to the nearest tenth would be 0.5. Here's the tenths. You look at the number behind it. If it's 5 or higher, you take the number you underline and go up. So in the first one, 4 was tenths. If I look at the number next to it, it is not 5 or higher, so the 4 stays a 4. Okay, critical thinking and logical reasoning. Give logical reasoning explaining what is wrong with the following frequency distribution relative to the indicated data set. So you have a frequency distribution and something is wrong with it. You're supposed to figure out what. Okay, so one of the first things I check is to make sure that the class has all equal sizes. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, that's 5. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, that's also 5. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so they're all 5. So that's fine. Okay, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 total values. 5, 10, 16. My total frequency is 16. There are only 15 values in the data set, but 16 in the table. And that's usually the order I did it. I would do it. I would check first the class if it's grouped, then I would check the frequency, and then I would just have to go back into the data set and start doing my tally marks and see which one or ones is incorrect. Okay, same thing for number 2. Give logical reasoning. Give logical reasoning explaining what is wrong with a data set consisting of 20 data items. Okay, so this is categorical, so I can't check my class. I should have 20 items. 8 plus 7 is 15 plus 4 is 19. So I don't have enough data items. There are 20 data items, but only 19 in the table. Okay, all right. Explain how you would use the frequency table below to determine that the number of data items in the given set is 29. I would add the frequencies. Six and 8 is 14, plus 12 is 26, and 3 is 29. Number 2, explain how you would use the frequency table below to determine that the number of data items in the given set is 24. Again, I would add the frequencies. Seven and 11 is 18, and 6 is 24. Okay, some problem solving. Okay, so now you're not finding the total. Now you have the total. Solve for the frequency of the indicated class in each of the following situations. I have 42 data items, 15 blue, 12 brown. How many yellow? Well, add 15 and 12. If the total has to be 42, then yellow must be 42 minus 27. There are 15 in the yellow category. Okay, next one. The number of data items is 84. You know that there are 18 in the class from 1 to 8, 15 and 9 to 16. You do not know 17 to 24, but you know 25 to 32. So I'm going to add 18, 15, and 30. And then I'm going to subtract that from 84. The rest of them have to be in the other class. So there are 21 data items in the class 17 to 24. It doesn't tell me what those data items are, but I know that they fall in the category 17 to 24. Okay, next problem. Complete each of the following frequency distribution, parentheses tables, for the given data set. Okay, so we're going to do these one. This is going to be a long one. Let's just start with B's. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oops, 14 was B's. Sorry about that. Okay, now my next one is A's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, next one is C's. Oh, I guess the next one in the line is D's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and then C's, we'll do that in black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now if I add all these up, 17 carry 1, I get 47 items. Now I'm going to go back and just double count just to make sure I get 47. I'm going to erase all of these little marks because I can't tell. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoops, sorry. Boy, wish I knew how I did that. But at least by marking off every 10 now I don't have to start over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10, 20, 30, 47. Good. Matches up. Okay. Next one. Same thing. All right. And this one, doesn't look like we have as many, so I'm just going to go down the line. 11, 4, 7, 1, 3, 6, 10, 12, 4, 11. Okay, I did that many. 3, 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7, 1, 6, 10, 3, 6, 10, 3, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 4, 4, 7, 4, 4, 7, 3, 6, 11, 3, 6, 11. All right, so we have 7, 11, 4, and 6. So we have a total of 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and I would erase all of these tick marks, and my table would have 7, 11, 4, 6 in it. Okay, next one. The preferences of 30 people who participated in a survey for drinks flavors are lemon lime, orange, and cola. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. Those are my 3 flavors, but these are part of my answers. So my table's on the next slide, so I'm just going to make a quick one up here. Lemon lime, orange, and cola. And I'll do my dash marks here, and then I'll fill in the table on the next sheet. All right, so let me go back in here, and I'm going to do lemon lime, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, orange, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if I have a total of 30, that tells me I should have 14 colas. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So lemon lime is 10, orange is 6, and cola is 14. So 14, lemon lime was 16. Nope, that wasn't right. Lemon lime was 10 and orange was 6. If we total them up, we get 30. Okay, the ages of 15 people who participated in a survey. So when I add up my frequencies, I'm going to get 15. 21, 31, 29, 25, 22, 30, 34, 32, 27, 26, 23, 27, 33, 34, 28. I think this is a typo. I was just looking at my table. The classes would be in order and they'd all be the same size. So 10 to 12 that must have been from a different table. So my answers for 21 to 25 is 4. 26 to 30 is 6. 31 to 35 is 5. When you add them up, you get 15. Okay, that ends this lesson.